Hello, this is DJ Hao and Zhang Lei for ee542 lab 7. Here I will show our work here. Firstly, okay, let's begin. Firstly, we need to install Termux and Termux API to our Android phone. And here is a screen shortcut that we successfully run Node-RED. You can see the information here. And then we point a browser to localhost 1880, and it opens up a Node-RED flows editor. You can have a look at this, and this is what we did in our phone, and this is what we did in our laptop. We need to connect to the IP address of our phone, and this is the port number. Our laptop and phone are running the same Wi-Fi router. Okay. The next step, we need to open another terminal in Termux, and we run Termux sensor L to see the list of our sensors in my phone. Here we can see there is a sensor called APDS9922 light, and this is exactly what we need to use for the following steps. Here we take a look at the data that is returned by light sensor. We can see there are totally 3 values. What we need to use is only the first value, because this is the only one that is changing all the time. Okay, on the other side, we need to create AWS ITO. Here we create a policy, and here this is the ITO manage page. Our instance is called lab7. And here we create certificate as well as a public key and private key. We need to download all these things for future use. Here, this is a JSON code that we need to use to create some nodes in our Node-RED. The JSON code contains the value we need to get from light sensor as well as the name of our sensor. Here, after we import the JSON code, we need to make some changes to our nodes. Here is what we did to HTTP request node. We changed the URL to our own Amazon Web Server ITO, and we enable secure connection. We choose TLS configuration. Yeah, here is how we deploy it successfully. We also need to make some changes to the exact node, as well as the get number node. Here we can see the debug message. It shows that the message is sent successfully. We can also take a look at our Amazon Web Server ITO core. We go into the test tab, subscribe to the topic, and verify that ITO core is reading our packets successfully. Here we can see the information here. This is right. Then this is the final step. We need to virtualize data in Amazon Web Server ITO. We install ThingsBoard on an EC2 instance following the instructions. And here you can see the ThingsBoard is installed and running successfully. Here we use our laptop to log inside the ThingsBoard so that we can see the data changing in our laptop. Okay, and this is our work of lab7. This is done by Dijia Hao and Lei Zhang. Thank you very much.